welcome back to the Adventures of Jack Waddle, and today we are going to be sharing 10 more facts about Donnan that everyone should know. So let's on to it. So the first fact, don't put bird feeders next to a garden or your garden, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why is because the animals will get the bulb seed and then go over to the garden and eat it. So yeah, don't do that. Fact one. Now fact two. Fact two. You don't have to plant every single thing at the same time. You can space it out. You can wait it out a little bit, like maybe do 2 days and then in another 2 days do the rest. I don't know, but don't do it all at once unless you want a better work to do at the same time. But anyways, fact 3 is make sure you always get the soil ready right before, like get all the roots out from last year, get all the weeds out, and do all that, or else you are not going to have a good year. Alright, fact 4 is you should expect a week of one plant to die throughout the first couple of weeks, and that's just normal. So don't be upset if that happens. Fact 4. It's 5. Alright, fact 5 is like, I don't know really how to explain this, right? If the animals are getting to your garden and you don't know what to do, like, do something about it. Don't just let them eat it, right? I should say, here's a good example. Like, say, like, you're eating your, like, strawberries or eating your tomatoes. Like, what you should do is you should, like, put something over the plant that they are eating. And, well, yeah, that will hopefully solve the problem unless they eat nuts. Alright, fact 6 is that you should always do test years. Like, I don't care if you do like 1 or 2. I did 3 test years just to see, like, if I like gardening. So do at least 1 test year. Just like buy a couple of plants and see if you even like gardening before you buy like 4 boxes. Just buy a little box, like on wheels. This is actually a nice tip. Right. I know I said gardening, but I count nature as also gardening too. So fact 7 is if you have teas, like, I don't know what they're called. I'll just show you them real quickly because we have them. If you have those teas over there, hold on 1 minute. I'm checking all my facts. And I'm realizing, you guys. What are we on, like fact 6? Oh, fact 7. Alright, fact 7 is you you should wrap those teas that I showed you in something called, I don't even remember. Mom, what is the thing that we're wrapping the teas in called? What is the thing that we are wrapping the teas in called?
Burlap.
Burlap is what it's called. And you need to do it. I mean, you don't have to, but you should do it. Alright, fact 8 is if you are building anything like near your garden, you should shut off your irrigation system, or at least do something to protect it from protect you from busting along the pipes of the irrigation system, or you know, anything like that. So yeah, I am sad that this video is almost over, but fact 9 is that you should do a couple of experiments for to see if you know how to do seeds or pea-sodded plants better. Because I always do pea-sodded, but we don't have the time, but this year we are doing that coming up soon. But yeah, and last and final fact is that you should write and subscribe. But anyways, the Adventures of Jack Rocko out.